Making daily video.
Okay.
Hi.
You gotta be funny though.
It don't have to be funny.
Sure it does.
I'm gonna
We're
make.
gonna have cooking class.
Yeah. What you got there?
How do you get garlic butter? How do you get it on?
Here. Don't press no button.
You gonna make any meatballs?
No.
Why?
Because I didn't.
I need plenty of tape. Half my videos are like 5 minutes long.
Yeah, there's gotta be something exciting. You gotta clean something.
There's the Megs.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the Meggers. What we got going on here, Ma?
And it has 1:32 left.
Here's the hamburger. Here, let's turn on the underside light. I don't see an under light. Ah, here we are. Is that better? What's that? What is that?
What is what?
In that pan?
Garlic butter.
Oh. Look, it's the Mugsy. It's the baby Mugsy. Look at her little stump waggling. Well, that's it, so fuck you guys.
Oh.